Motorized Torque-Arm, or MTA, is a rugged, direct drive reducer available in 10 sizes and multiple drive configurations, delivering best-in-class performance in a compact, AGMA-rated design that maximizes its torque ratings per case size and supports up to 329,000 pound-inches of torque. To make maintenance safer and more efficient, we developed the safety input adapter to simplify coupling installation and service. By eliminating the need to remove the motor, the safety input adapter minimizes maintenance touch points while saving valuable time, reinforcing our commitment to providing you with safer, more efficient solutions for maximum uptime. Now standard on all MTA gearboxes, the safety input adapter features a split cover design and oversized access windows, allowing quick, single technician installation and service of the included Sidewinder wrap coupling using standard hand tools. Contact your local Dodge FSC for additional training and information on how MTA with the safety input adapter can easily help protect your team and improve your operations. Visit dodgeindustrial.com to learn more.